Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English class. Students, day before yesterday, we have started this chapter, A True Friend. And what we read in the story, we have read that how Rahul had cheated his best friend, Raz, and won the trophy. But after winning that trophy, he started feeling guilty that he had cheated his best friend. Now he had gone into the principal's room or principal's office, where we will find out today that what happened there. So let us start our today's work. Inside, he admitted that he had dug the pit in which Raz had fallen down. So inside means inside the in the principal's office. Who is he here? He is Rahul. He admitted means he agreed that he had dug the pit in which Raz had fallen down during the race. The principal said, I am happy that you have realized your fault. Realized means felt, that you had felt that you had done something wrong, your fault, Rahul. So you should make friends with Raz and promise me that you will not betray him again. So you should make friends with Raz. The principal sir suggested him that you should make friends with Raz and promise me now that you will not betray him again. Betray means cheat. Now principal asked Rahul that you will not cheat Raz again. Besides means in addition to. Besides, you must study very hard. So you have to study very hard and secure good marks like your friend. Like your friend, who is the friend here? Raz. Principal sir advised him that now you have to study hard and get good marks like your friend Raz. Now Rahul went to Raz and apologized to him from the core of his heart. See, students, in this line, this word is apologized. Read the spellings of apologized. Apologized. Apologized means felt sorry. So, Rahul went to Raz and felt sorry to him. And he says sorry to to Raz from the core of his heart. From the core of his heart means honestly. Okay, with an honest feeling, he admitted Raj that I had cheated you, and he also apologized to him. Apologized means felt sorry to him. Raj forgave him and agreed to be friends with him again. Now Raj forgave him. He pardoned him, he excused him and agreed to be friends with him again. Means they become friends again. So after some days, a class test was held. Now what happened? After some days, a class test was held. Rahul gave a poor performance. Poor performance means he didn't get good marks in that test. So he managed to score very less marks. Means he got very less marks in that test. His principal said. Now principal sir said to him, this is your last chance. Means this is your last chance, Rahul. If you do not perform well in the term end examination also, means if you didn't perform well in the term end examination, you will be punished. Then you will get some punishment. Rahul was ashamed of himself. Ashamed of means, again it means feeling sorry for himself, or you can say embarrassed. Rahul was embarrassed of himself and cried bitterly. Bitterly means he cried too much that he has got less marks, and principal sir has also warned him to for the punishment that he will get punishment if he didn't perform well in term and examination. So he was very upset. He was feeling embarrassed of himself, of his poor performance, and he started crying bitterly. Raz came to him and said, now his best friend Raz came to him and said, Rahul, do not worry. He told him, Rahul, you need not worry. This is just a class test. You need not worry because it was just a class test. Start studying well and work hard from now onwards. So he advised him that start studying well means start doing hard work again and work hard from now onwards. If you do so, you will do much better in the term and exams. So he advised him that if you work hard, you will do much better in the term and exams. Rahul thanked Raj. Now Rahul, say thank you to Raj. He worked hard. Who is he here? He is Rahul. He worked hard. Raj helped Rahul in every way he could. Now Raj also helped him in his studies. When the term and examination result was announced means declared. Now after the term and exams, the result was declared, was announced. Everyone was surprised to see. Now everyone in the school was very much surprised. And what they see? To see that he had not only topped in the class but beaten Raz as well. So why was everybody surprised? That he had, who is he here? Rahul. Rahul had not only topped in the class but he had beaten Raz also. Raz as well means he has got the first position, so he was ahead of Raz. Raz was the first one to congratulate him because Raz was his best friend, so he was the first of all who went to Rahul and congratulated him for his success. Indeed, it was the happiest day of Rahul's life. Indeed means really. Really, it was the happiest day of Rahul's life. He thanked Raj. He said thank you to Raj and who had stood second. Raj has come second in his class. He has stood second in his class. So his principal was also very happy with their results. Now principal sir was also very happy with their results. Means with Rahul also that he had worked hard and achieved his goal. After this, Rahul and Raj remained true friends even after. And after this, Rahul and Raj, they always remained true friends. They always remained best friends. So students, this was all about the story of a true friend, in which what you read that we should not cheat others. We should not cheat our best friends. Instead, we should help our friends and we should get motivation from them. We should get motivated. We should follow them that how they are doing good. Now students, I have prepared a worksheet for you in which I have written the main words or the typical words of the lesson. So if you have bought your notebooks, you can write in your fair notebooks those words. If you don't have, then you can write those words in your rough notebooks. So that's all for today. Thank you.